Hello guys, in this video I will bring an old rusty hammer back to life. First of all, I have to remove the steel from the metal. Now I saw off the handle from the metal. Now I use a small and a big hammer to get the wood in the middle away. Now I use soda and vinegar to get the rust out. $350 vinegar. The whole thing can now stay in there for 24 hours. It's time to work with the brush. Now wash everything quickly. I use the grinder to make the hammer as straight as possible. Everything now needs to be sanded and polished. I bought this hammer handle from the hardware store. The hammer handle must now be protected with adhesive tape. Now I will adapt the hammer handle to the hammer. With a small piece of wood, I make sure that the metal no longer slips off the wood. was the end of the video. I hope you liked it.